This video will walk you through creating an event each day for the tides for Westport, Connecticut. So we're going to go ahead and go to tidesandcurrents.noaa.gov. From here we're going to go to Products. I'm going to go to the Tide Predictions. Here we're going to go ahead and navigate to Connecticut, and we'll come down here to Saugatuck. Once Saugatuck opens up, we're going to go here for the annual published tide tables. We're going to change it to a 24-hour clock, and we're going to download it as a text file. You can go ahead and keep it the same name that it has when it gets created. We're just going to go right ahead and open it. Go to Edit, select All, and then copy it into the Windows clipboard. Now we can open up Excel. We'll open up a blank workbook, and we'll go ahead and paste the information in, starting at column A1. We're going to go ahead and right-click and drag down. Right-click again. We're going to delete all of the rows up until the first row of data. Now we're going to save this file. We're going to save it in the ctemp file, but there's two things we want to do. One, we want to name it, and we also want to save the type. We want to change this. This does need to be a tab delimited text file. We'll call it West Tide, and we'll go ahead and save it. Yes, we want to keep it in that format, and we can just go ahead and close Excel right out again. Now we go into Firehouse. Administration, database, import from external data source. In here you do have a import called Westport Tides. What you want to make sure is this is pointing to where you saved your file, and it is the right file name. If you saved it in a different location, you can just browse to where you saved that file, and the import will work on the file. So once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and click Run. Yes. Once the import is run and it's built a new list of table options, it's going to ask us to commit the database. Once we've committed the database, it'll ask if we want to view the log. We can say no. And at this point, if we requery our database, here's all of our high tides and low tides in the system.